You see that is? Albert and Dennis. Pepe.
Yeah.
Tommy. Joan. Dad.
Dad.
Dolly. Your daughter. That was a snowstorm.
What is that?
Huh?
Is that before the pines?
No.
Yeah, but it was before the apartments and everything.
Yeah, it was before the apartments. There's nothing in the back there but trees.
Yeah.
That's Bert. There's Bobby. There's the baby. And I think he's sucking on a lollipop. That's what he's doing, sucking on a lollipop. There's Uncle Joey.
I don't even remember.
Yep, that's Uncle Joey. And how do I stop the filming? Just press the red thing?
Yep.
Yeah, that's you and Uncle Joey. You see, most of these will be you and Dad and Joey.
Yeah.
It's good for you to see when your dad did play with you, you know?
Yeah. Look at me, I'm so cute.
Yeah, you are cute. You never thought your dad played with you, huh?
No. That must be Christmas.
No? Do you think you were a happy baby? Huh?
Mm.
Look at you laughing there, you goober. There's your serious face. What's this you're saying? What the hell is Ma giving me? Oh, look at, there's your grin. Your shit-ass grin. Trying to figure out what it is. Now you're concentrating. Am I going to get this? Hey, I'll try my feet. There you are. In the sink with the pans.
Feel apart.
Yeah. That's a rock-a-bye, Bobby. Father do pinata. He's saying, get that off of me. Yeah. My brother's holding me, and he's rocking me. I love my little brother. And he's saying to me, shut that light off.
Joey. Dad.
Patsy. Huey Jr. Pepe. Michael. Huey. This is out on the porch. Uncle Arthur. That's Charis.
Oh yeah.
Look at it's Uncle Buddy up top there with the red shirt on. That's Uncle Arthur. That's Kelly. Joey. Meme. There you go. Ricky. Bobby. Dennis. Chris. There's Bobby. I'm walking! Look at me! I am king of the hill! I got something in my mouth. What you got in your mouth, Bobby? Spit it out. Hey, look at, here I am. Mouse giving me a bath. I'm a big boy now. Look how skinny Mo is. Look at this big ass. Fall in, Mo. I'll push her. I can't. There's Daddy and Bobby playing patty cake. Patty cake, patty cake. Gonna get my daddy. Patty cake, patty cake. That's what Mommy's saying. And you're going, that's stupid light. Let's play patty cake. So here we go. Let's got Daddy to play patty cake. I have no idea what that was. Oh, your father turned 58. A year younger than I am now.
Meme.
Mm-hmm.
A Violet.
Yeah.
Me.
Yeah, and look what you got. Now, who was that? Huh?
No.
Mike and Patty and Peggy Jean.
Peggy, yeah. It's Pepe.
Yep, carving the turkey.
Well, it's like Mom and me from home.
Huh?
Just like Mom and me from home.
That's our house.
I know. Those were the days that were simple.
Mm-hmm.
There's no bickering from Michael and Patty.
Nope. There's Meme.
Yeah.
There's Mo.
Yeah.
There's Peggy Jean. There's Bobby. I'm Violet.
Your birthday.
Yeah. I'm having a birthday. Hear 'em? Hear yourself sing? Happy birthday to me.
Yeah.
Who's that? That's Mike Roberts.
Oh.
The Roberts kids. You still do the same thing, Bob. You haven't changed in 30 years. Watch what you do. Look what you do. Hi, Mom. You know who that is?
Mary.
Yeah.
Michelle.
Yeah.
Mama.
Mm-hmm.
on Violet. Cooking the turkey.
Mm-hmm. Got Michelle. Hi, Michelle.
Here's Dad.
Yep.
Thanksgiving.
Yep. Mo being a jerk. You know who that is?
Jared.
That could be Keisha.
Here's Charlene.
Laura's butt.
Bonnie Babs.
Yeah. And Vanessa.
Or Vanessa.
Yeah. Who is that guy? Big Jim.
Mm-hmm.
Wake up, Pepe. Was Dad. There's Dave. That was, there's Keisha. Michelle.
Jenny.
Jenny, yep.
Dad.
Mm-hmm. Dawn. They had their hair all done like. There's Alice, Laura, your father.
Mom right there.
Mm-hmm.
Keisha.
Wonder where this was. Michelle's birthday party.
At Roller Kingdom. Fun World.
Yeah, I think that's, yeah. Some of this isn't too bright. Yeah, that's Fun World. See the monkeys?
Yeah.
Hey, hey, I'm the monkeys. Who's that? Mary.
Mary.
She's your father, but didn't come out good. This is almost over anyway. But who knows, you know, when you look at it, you'll have an idea what it is. You know? There's the Bert, Martha. Three years old, 5 years old. There's Joey. Well, at least the candles come out.
Yeah.
Bobby's favorite thing. What do you think you're doing, Bobby?
Dancing.
No. You used to go in a circle till you got so dizzy you couldn't stand up. Bobby's saying, look at the camera, look at the camera.
King!
No, that was Mike's dog.
Brandy.
Yep. I think, or was that my dog? I had a little dog like that for a while. Got no choice, gotta jump on Mommy's bed. See what you did?
What?
See what your mother did to you?
Tied me up.
Yeah. Look what you did. So there's the evidence My mom tied me up with a rope. Who do you think you look a little like? That lovely lady with her 2 stepsons. And that was friends of the family. This was long before I was pregnant. We're up at Lake Winnipesaukee. We'd gone up for the day. They were friends of your father's. Friends of Bert, you know, Bert and Mo. This was their camper. Look at how skinny the lady was. Guess what your father has in his hands?
A beer.
What did he always have in his hands?
Budweiser.
Yep. That was their puppy. That was the lady. Still in her mom's beer. I don't remember these people's name. Bert would. That was my mother was alive then. No, she wasn't. That's Al. That was Dennis's father. There's Vanessa. It was after my mom died. Where is this? Oh, this is at up in going up towards Canada. It was a shrine.
Yep.
That they stopped there, and they made a promise that if they swore on the weekend, they would put all the money in a can. Oh, there's Pal. There's a swimming pool. That's Ayott's.
I know.
The old house.
You got it.
Hmm?
You got it.
We didn't record this.
No.
That was O'Neill. And your father taught me how to say hello to him when we went up there. And all the way up there, you taught me how to say hello?
Bonjour.
No. Voulez-vous coucher avec moi ce soir?
That's Lady Marmalade.
Yeah, do you want to sleep with me is what he taught me to say to him. So, of course, when I first met him, he loved meeting me. That's one of the nephews up there in Canada. This is where you were made, Bobby, on this trip. You were conceived on this trip. Those are the two cousins. That's Lena, your father, your grandmother.
Meme.
Yeah. One of the girls. Me and O'Neill. Him with his cigarettes. I didn't speak French. So guess what? I was the only one that didn't speak.
Dad knows French.
Joe and Pepe and Meme. They stuck the camera on the side. We had O'Neill dancing. This is in their backyard in Three Rivers, Canada.
Probably there.
They call it Three Rivers.
While we're there.
Yeah.
I think the cousins are deceased, right?
No, the older ones are. These
Yeah.
girls are around Mike's age.
That's why I want to go on my honeymoon, even though they don't know me. That's why I just want to go on my honeymoon to that shrine. Put my hand, well, later on.
You want to go back to Coupler Madeline?
Yeah. You would know I'm a Pentecostal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
She married a farmer, the guy that was her fiance.
Mm-hmm.
They got married, and he works on a farm.
Mm-hmm.
Your other sister, the husband in that was a construction worker.
Mm-hmm.
And that was the youngest one. There's your father.
Yep.
With the sideburns.
You wanted a bit start at the beginning.
No, it's at the beginning. About as best it's going to get. They're playing horseshoes.
J'ai been a horseshoe?
Mm-hmm.
Mais oui.
You see all the big bellies?
Mm-hmm. Beer bellies.
Mm-hmm. That was one of the little girls. I don't remember her name. You know what those are?
What?
Those are bull's balls. This person was getting married, and that was the custom. The day before they got married,
Yeah.
they drove him around town, and they humiliated him. Those are bull's balls. They hung him around his neck. Yeah, there's Mo playing baseball. Across the street from O'Neill's house. Wasn't she pretty?
It's like Amy.
Well, it's a cousin.
She looks like Amy.
I made the birthday cake. You know who? Yeah.
That one looks a little like my grandma.
Yeah?
Not Beme, but you know who I'm talking about.
No, I don't.
Mo's mother-in-law.
Oh. No, that was Pepe's relatives.
Must be the wedding.
I gotta stop it. You know who that is?
You.
Yeah. You gonna be bad, Nom? Yep. See what your father's gonna do to me?
What?
He's gonna take his pajamas off and show his private. He used to tease me all the time.
Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah. This is where you were made. This here is Cap de Madeleine. We went here to pray.
That's where it is, Cap de Madeleine?
Yep, in Canada. I went here and Meme said into a place and it said, she said, say a prayer and ask the saint for what you wish for, right? Mm-hmm. And I said, I want a baby. And I got pregnant that night with you. Mm-hmm. So right then and there, I wasn't pregnant, but I was pregnant that night. There's my red stream. That was the campground, my trailer. There's Terry. There's Joey.
You need my diaper.
Is that Laura? Yeah. Look how skinny she was, huh? That was my flower garden. I think that's Bert, right?
It's like it. On the yachts.
Rinny. That was the front of the house. Back of the house with the pool. Look what the back of the house looked like. That's Tony. Ayots. Bobby. That's my brother Dickie. Oh, you know who that is? Huh?
Who?
Your brother Michael.
Michael?
Yep.
Use that then?
Yep.
I'm glad they didn't break the pool.
They did break the pool that day.
They did?
Yeah.
They got a whooping.
No. Went out and bought a new pool. That was the backyard. Look how thin your father was.
Yeah.
Meme in the rocking chair. There's Al. Albert's. There's Bert. There they are in the pool. Leanne. Big Mouth. Vanessa. Dickie. Yeah, my brother Dickie. That's Carol.
Did you find...
Dennis. There's Michael. Guy from across the street. See how skinny they were? Dennis. Pepe being himself. Michael. My brother Dickie. Tony. Ray. Oh, I didn't even know I had my brother Dickie on film. I didn't record any of this. We gotta get Bobby again naked. Right?
Right.
With your little peanut. Is it still little Bobby? Ma. There's any questions you're supposed to ask. Right?
Right.
Meme, Pepe. Coming to get ya. Do 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 do. Hung, hung, hung. Get it out of here! Gonna bite my dad's butt. You think Bert was mischievous?
Yes.
Take a picture over there. Did you see what he told me?
Right.
Take a picture over there. That's what his head up meant. Take a picture of that. Stop taking a picture of me. Yep, the house, the flowers. I went across the street to take this. We used to always have flowers all over the place. All the time. Flowers everywhere. Flowers everywhere. And then there'd be themes like that was red and white. Nothing's the same anymore.
But does Bert do the garden still?
Nope, they don't do no gardens. Like I said, I grew the gladiolas for Meme. And then when they all come up right, I put them in a big bouquet and bring them down for her on her birthday. Because her birthday was August 15th.
Her birthday?
Yeah. So I used to bring a big bouquet of flowers because they'd come out in August. And then I'd take them out of the ground and save them for the next year, right? And put them back in and put more in. They still got the cement things in the front of the house. Oh, look at that! That's Kelly. And Barbie did not like being in a cage. So I went from tying you up, Bob,
Yeah.
to sticking you in a... Well, I went from sticking you in a cage to tying you up. Joan, Bobby. They used to have a lot of cookouts, Bob. Always had parties.
That was that popular.
That was Uncle Arthur. That was Arthur, Joey's father.
Yeah.
Used to call him Grandpa. I'm Violet. Meme. See it giving me a finger and a nose?
What's that mean?
It always gave me the finger on her nose. There's me in my beautiful swimsuit. Come on, Bob, let's jump in the pool. Look how thin Ma was there. And me and Bob are going to jump in the pool together. Oh, that's not me. That's Auntie Barbara. Isn't it? Or is it me?
That's you.
Yeah, it is me. I thought it was me. With short hair.
Dad hated the short hair.
No, he hated the skinny body. Because at nighttime it didn't come out too good.
Who did the fireworks?
Your father. I don't know who that is. Oh, that's Dolly's daughter. Now I remember who that is. Pam. That was Dolly's daughter. Because there is Patsy McKenna. See that bedspread?
Yeah.
That was my favorite. That is the McKenna's mother. That's Joan. Dolly. Pepe.
What is that?
That's Bobby.
No, I'm talking about
The lean-to.
not the lead to the picture.
What picture?
Never mind.
The Uncle Arthur. Tommy and Joan's other daughter. There's me. I always had to be a fashion model. I always wore my hat, my bathing suit. I look good as I'm showing myself off.
remember that. I was playing with the camera.
One of the McKennas. Somebody else was doing a camera this time. They're all over the place. Here's you and the playpen. Lynn, that was her name. That's your cousin Lynn.
Long lost cousin.
Yeah, you know who she is.
Who?
McKenna. You went to CCD with her. There's Joe. Arthur. Joey. Uncle Arthur. Meme. There's Barbie. Barbie, and who do you think you're with?
Becky.
No.
Who?
Peggy Jean.
Yeah, Peggy.
That was your father when he was on the school committee. He marched in the parade. See? With his red coat. He wore red, white, and blue. That's where you get the red coat from. Linda Brown?
Yep.
Kingsborough Band. Their new band uniforms. Tiny.
Yep.
Gibbons.